All right, boys and girls, for your math today, you are going to change the picture to make 10. Write the easier number sentence and solve. So number 1 says, Tom has 9 red pencils. Here's his 9 red pencils. And 5 yellow. Here's his 5 yellow. How many pencils does Tom have in all? So what your standard says is you need to make a 10. So I know that I have 9, and if I take 1 from the 5, then I know that's going to make 10. So I'm going to take my 5 apart. I'm going to give this 1 to the 9, and then I'm going to write here what I have left over. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. So I know that I have 9 and 1 is 10 pencils, and then here's my number I have left over. I know I need to put that here. And then what does it equal? And then whatever it equals here, and that's obviously what 9 plus 5 equals. You're going to do the same for these. Number 2 says 9, circle the 10, and solve. So the first thing you're going to do is circle the 10. Oh, darn. The first thing you're going to do is circle the 10 here. Okay? Sorry about that. And then you're going to put in your 2 parts. So how many did you have to take from the 3 to make 10? And then how many are left over? And then you're going to show 10, because that's your new 10, plus whatever is left over, and get your answer. Number 3, same thing. 4 plus 9. Circle your 10 first, and then what did you have to take from the 4 and give to 9? What do you have left over? Your 10 plus what you have left over equals your answer. So, okay. So for your next one, sorry, I'm lost. For your next one, it's over here. It says solve, make a math drawing using the 10 frame shown to show how you make a 10. So if you look here at this example, they show you what to do. They want to see your 10. So I have 9, right? So you're going to put 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to add your 5. Well, I only can fit one more with my 10, so I'm going to put 1 here, and then I'm going to start a new one out here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it shows you, I can see clearly, how many did I have to give to my 9 from the 5? And then here's how many are left over. Put them here. So then now I have, instead of 9, I have 10, because remember your standard says to make a 10, and then plus whatever you have left over. So you're going to do that for 5, 6. So for 5 and 6, make sure you use these as a 10 frame. Only 10 circles should go in here, and they should be in nice, neat 5 groups. And the bottom says use a number bond to show how you made 10. So here you don't need to draw it, but if you need to draw it, you should. So you're going to show your number bond. So what did you take from the 5? Show me the number bond, and then add. This one, don't forget, this one's backwards, but it still is the same thing. Blank equals 9 plus 7 is the same as saying 9 plus 7 equals. Alright, good luck, guys. Make sure you check your answers on the answer key when you're done. And if you made a lot of mistakes that you don't understand, sign up for a small group mini lesson. Alrighty, good luck.